Container gardens for indoor gardening or non-gardening spaces. Coming up on this edition of Year-Round Gardening.
Year-Round Gardening is supported in part by Ace Hardware, Hills Plaza South State College, and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
Container gardens are a great way to do gardening indoors or in spaces where you don't have a garden, such as an apartment complex. In some ways, they also make a more efficient use of space, as plants in containers can be spaced closer together than plants in a conventional garden. Container gardens are also portable, can be placed on tables or stands, so you don't have to hunch over to tend to the plants. Choosing your container. Just about any clean container can be used. In addition to conventional planting pots, you can use old soda bottles, durable packaging materials, cups, you name it. But you should choose a container big enough to hold the plant you want to grow. Keep in mind that the container should be large enough not just for the initial planting, but also for when the plant grows to maturity. You don't want the plant to burst out of the container as it grows larger. In addition, there should be drainage holes at the bottom. You have to create these by drilling or puncturing the container bottom. This will allow for water to pass through. Choosing plants and spacing. As stated previously, container size must match plant size. For example, a tomato plant will require more space than lettuce. When choosing plants for your container, it's best to choose plants that have similar lighting and water requirements. Also consider spacing requirements. Seed packets or plant labels will assist you on plant spacing needs. As the popularity of container gardening grows, plant breeders are answering the call by introducing vegetables that are specifically bred for compact size and ability to thrive in small spaces. Choose the right soil medium. Avoid using soil. Over time, this will be compacted and limit oxygen and water movement, leading to poor plant growth. In addition, soil is heavy and will make the container heavy to move. Finally, there are many types of microorganisms that are detrimental to plant growth, and we would like to avoid those. Because of those issues, we use a soilless medium that typically contains mixes of peat moss, perlite, and vermiculite. These lightweight materials can make it easier to move your pot if need be. It can also help with drainage and root growth. Light and temperature. Most vegetable crops need about 6 hours of sunlight. This requirement will determine where you place the container garden in your house or what kinds of artificial lighting you use. Vegetables can be categorized into warm and cool season. Knowing those conditions can assist with temperature regulation and placement of containers within the house or outside on the porch or patio. Common problem: leggy plants. Plants that have tall, weak stems are often referred as leggy. This can be caused by several things. As stated before, vegetables need a lot of sunlight, and if not enough, they will bend and reach to find any light available. Or it could be that too many plants are placed together, resulting in competition for available light. So counter this excessive growth, address the light issue.
Ace Hardware, locally owned and operated and a proud supporter of public television. Ace, the helpful place, Hills Plaza South State College and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
Videos like this are made possible by support from viewers like you. If you enjoyed this video, visit WPSU.org to become a member today and help us create more content like this.